Hi viewers, welcome to our garden oasis. In this fascinating video, we shall explore the beautiful world of rose plants and discover a treasure trove of gardening ideas. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or budding green thumb, be prepared to turn your backyard into a wonderful escape with beautiful flowers. Let's get involved. Number 1. Types of rose plants. Before we get our hands dirty, let's explore the diverse range of rose plants available, from classic hybrid teas to fragrant climbers and compact floribundas. There's a rose variety to suit every garden style and preference. Find out what makes each type special and decide which one would like to add your garden. Number 2. Creating a rose garden. Now that you have picked your favorite rose plants, it's time to design and make a beautiful rose garden. Consider the layout, sunlight, exposure, and soil condition to ensure optimal growth. Experiment with different bed shapes, borders, and companion plants to enhance the visual appeal. Remember, roses thrive in well-drained soil, so incorporating organic matter and mulching is essential for their health. Number 3. Pruning and maintenance. To keep your rose plants in peak condition, regular pruning and maintenance are key. Learn the art of pruning to encourage healthy growth, control shapes, and maximize flowering. Discover the best time to prune based on the rose variety you have chosen. Additionally, don't forget to water adequately, fertilize appropriately, and watch out for common pests and diseases that can harm your precious blooms. Number 4. Captivating garden ideas. Unleash your creativity with captivating rose garden ideas. Explore vertical gardening with climbing roses on trellis or arbors to add height and drama to your garden. Create a stunning color combination by pairing roses with complementary flowers and foliage. Experiment with container gardening, creating a mobile display of your favorite rose plants. Discover the magic of fragrance gardens, where intoxicating scenes create a sensory delight. Conclusion. Congratulations, you have embarked on a journey into the captivating world of rose plants and discovered a wealth of gardening ideas. By choosing the right rose varieties, designing a beautiful garden, and implementing proper care, your backyard will transform into a blooming paradise. Unleash your inner green thumb and let your rose garden radiate beauty for all to admire. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your own rose gardening experiences in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.